The Air Jordan 6 Retro Oreo is officially making its comeback for the holiday 2026 lineup, celebrating the 35th anniversary of the iconic Air Jordan 6. Known for its crisp black and white color blocking, this reissue brings back the original 2010 look with premium white leather overlays, deep black nubuck panels, and signature speckled detailing across the midsole, heel spoiler, and lace lock. The translucent milky outsole with the embedded Jumpman adds a soft contrast, enhancing the shoe's clean and timeless appeal. This 2026 version highlights the classic structure, sharp panel transitions, and three-dimensional shape that define the AJ6, delivering a design that stands out without flashy colors. As Jordan Brand revisits OG styles and fan-favorite colorways, the return of the Oreo reinforces its status as one of the most beloved AJ6 releases. Expect strong demand as sneaker fans revisit this legendary black and white masterpiece.